हे कृष्णा करुणा सिंधु
हे
हे
कृष्ण
कृष्णा
करुणा
करुणा सिंधु
दीनबंधु जगतपते
दीनबन्धो
दीनबंधु
जगत्पते
जगत्पते
गोपेश गोपिका कांता
गोपेश
गोपेश
गोपिकान्त
गोपिका कांता
राधा कांत नमोस्तुते।
राधाकान्त
राधा
नमोऽस्तुते।
कांता नमोस्तुते।
तप्त कांचन गौरंगी
तप्त काञ्चन
तप्त
गौराङ्गी
कांचन गौरांगी
श्री राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी
श्रीराधे
श्री राधे
वृन्दावनेश्वरी
वृंदावनेश्वरी
वृषभानुसुते देवी
वृषभानुसुते देवी
वृषभानुसुते देवी
प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये।
प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये।
प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये।
जय श्री कृष्णा चैतन्य
जय
जय
श्री
श्री कृष्ण
चैतन्य
चैतन्य
प्रभु नित्यानंद
प्रभु
प्रभु
नित्यानंद
नित्यानन्द
श्री अद्वैत गदाधर
श्री
श्री
अद्वैत
अद्वैत गदाधर
श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंदा।
श्रीवासादि
श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद।
हरे कृष्णा
हरे
हरे
कृष्णा
कृष्ण
हरे
हरे
कृष्णा
कृष्ण
कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे
कृष्ण कृष्ण
कृष्ण कृष्ण
हरे
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 हरे राम
हरे
हरे
राम
राम
हरे
हरे राम
राम हरे राम
राम राम हरे हरे
राम
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 हरे
हरे
हरे।
हरे
हरे कृष्णा लव यू।
हरे कृष्णा माता जी।
हरे कृष्णा।
हरे कृष्ण।
So we completed 25, right? 24 and 25. Anyone ready with the 24 and 25?
माता जी,
Two shlokas. Yeah. Yes,
मैम
stages.
for 24 to 25।
24 and 25. Two shlokas.
यस माता जी। यो नता सुखो न धर्मस् तथान्त ज्योतिरेव ये स योगी ब्रह्म निर्वाणं ब्रह्म भूतोऽधिगच्छति लभन्ते ब्रह्म निर्वाणं रसाये कसिना कल्मषः
Rishaya.
छिन्ना
Wait,
द्वाधा
wait, wait.
यतः
Rishaya Kshina Kalmasha. Say
क्षीण
this.
कल्मषः
Hmm.
छिन्ना द्वाधा यतत् मनः
Hmm.
सर्वभूताहिते रतः।
Pratha. Okay, very good. Yes, Hari. 24, 25.
हरे कृष्णा माता जी।
Hare Krishna Samreda. You have to unmute this. Yonta Sukho.
बस इंतजाम हो रहा है, अभी आराम से रहो थोड़ा।
Not able to hear Hari. Okay, yeah, Kshetra can go on. 24, 25.
योऽन्तः सुखवन्तरारामस्तन्त्रज्योतिरेवयः
Tathantar. Tathantar.
तथान्तर्ज्योतिरेवयः स योगी ब्रह्मनिर्वाणं ब्रह्मभूतोऽधिगच्छति लभन्ते ब्रह्मनिर्वाणं ऋषयः क्षीणकल्मषः छिन्नद्वैधायतात्मानः सर्वभूतहिते रतः।
Okay, very good. Yeah, okay, we'll wait. Anyone 24, 25? Ravi? Tell. No? Yeah, Shaurya? Okay, no problem, Hari. It's okay. Yes, okay. So, Shaurya and so. Yonta Sukho Antararamah. Everyone?
योऽन्तः
Tathantar Jyotireva Yaha
तथान्तर्ज्योतिरेवयः
स योगी ब्रह्म निर्वाणम
स योगी ब्रह्म निर्वाणम्
ब्रह्मभूतोऽधिगच्छति.
ब्रह्मभूतोऽधि गच्छति.
Okay. 25th is लभन्ते ब्रह्म निर्वाणम
लभन्ते
लभन्ते ब्रह्म निर्वाणम्
ऋषय क्षीण कल्मषाः.
रसै कृष्ण कल्मषा
ऋषय क्षीण कल्मषाः.
रसाय कृष्ण कल्मषा
छिन्नद्वैदयतात्मानः
चिन्नद्वैदयतात्माना
न द्वैदयता
सर्वभूतहिते रताः.
सर्वभूतहिते रता.
सर्वभूताहिते रता सर्वभूताहिते रता.
Okay, so we'll go to the 26. Anyone want me to repeat 24 and 25 again? All are okay? Yeah? If anytime, if you want me to repeat some shlokas, not understood, you can raise your hands and tell me, okay? Okay. Kama,
कामा
Krodha,
क्रोध
Kama,
क्रोध
Krodha,
काम क्रोध
काम क्रोध
Vimuktanam,
विमुक्तानां
Kama, Krodha, Vimuktanam,
काम क्रोध
काम क्रोध विमुक्तानां
Kama, Krodha, Vimuktanam,
काम
काम क्रोध विमुक्तानां
very good. Yatinam,
यतीनां
तीनां
Yatinam,
यतीनां
Yata,
यतः
Chetasam,
चेतसां
Yata Chetasam,
यत चेतसां
Yatinam,
यतीनां
Yata Chetasam.
यत चेतसां
Very good.
चेतसां
Very good. Yatinam, Yata Chetasam.
यतीनां यत चेतसां
Yatinam, Yata Chetasam.
यतीनां यत चेतसां
Kama, Krodha, Vimuktanam.
कामक्रोध
कामक्रोधविमुक्तानां
विमुक्तानां
Kama, Krodha, Vimuktanam.
कामक्रोधविमुक्तानां
कामक्रोध विमुक्तानां
Yatinam, Yata Chetasam.
यतीनां यत चेतसां
यतीनां
Kama, Krodha, Vimuktanam.
कामक्रोधविमुक्तानां
Yatinam, Yata Chetasam.
यतीनां यत चेतसां
Okay, Tejas, tell the two line.
Yes, Mataji. कामक्रोध विमुक्तानां यतीनां यतचेतसम्
Okay, Krishna Chandra.
कामक्रोध विमुक्तानां यतीनां यतचेतसम्
Okay, Kshetra.
काम क्रोध विमुक्तानां यतीनां यतचेतसां
Ravi.
कामक्रोधविमुक्तानां यतीनां यत
Vimuktanam.
विमुक्तानां यतीनां यत चेतसां
Very good. Samriddh.
कामक्रोधविमुक्तानां यतीनां यतचेतसां
Very good. Shaurya.
कामक्रोध विमुक्तानां यतीनां यतचेतसां
Okay. Is it Arpita?
कामक्रोधविमुक्तानां यतीनां यतचेतसां
Okay. Who else is there? Anybody want to tell? Okay, Hari. Are you okay to tell?
कामक्रोधविमुक्तानां यतीनां यतचेतसाम्
Okay, Vrindavan.
कामक्रोधविमुक्तानां यतीनां यतचेतसाम्
Yatachetasam. Very good. Okay, we'll go to the third line. Abhito
अभितो
अभितो
Brahma.
ब्रह्मा ब्रह्मा
Abhito Brahma
अभितो
Nirvanam.
निर्वाणं
निर्वाणं
Abhito Brahma Nirvanam.
अवितो ब्रह्म निर्वाणम्
Abhito Brahma Nirvanam.
अवितो ब्रह्म निर्वाणम्
Kama Krodha Vimuktanam.
कामक्रोधो विमुक्तानाम्
Yatinam Yatachetasam.
यतीनां यतचेतसाम्
Abhito Brahma Nirvanam.
अभितो ब्रह्म निर्वाणम्
Abhito Brahma Nirvanam.
अभितो ब्रह्म निर्वाणम्
Okay, one more time. Kama Krodha Vimuktanam.
कामक्रोधो विमुक्तानाम्
Yatinam Yatachetasam.
यतीनां यतचेतसाम्
Abhito Brahma Nirvanam.
अभितो ब्रह्म निर्वाणम्
Vartate
वर्तते
वर्तते
Vidita
विदिता
विचिता
Atmanam.
आत्मनां
Viditatmanam. The say will become silent.
विदितात्मनां
Viditatmanam.
विदितात्मनां
Vartate.
वर्तते
वर्तते वर्तते
Viditatmanam.
विदितात्मना
विदितात्मना
Vartate Viditatmanam.
वर्तते विदितात्मनां
Vartate Viditatmanam.
वर्तते विदितात्मनां
Abhito Brahma Nirvanam.
अभितो ब्रह्म निर्वाणम्
Vartate Viditatmanam.
वर्तते विदितात्मनः
Viditatmanam.
विदितात्मनां
Kamakrodha Vimuktanam.
कामक्रोधो विमुक्तानां
Yatinam Yatachetasam.
यतीनां यतचेतसाम्
Abhito Brahma Nirvanam.
अभितो ब्रह्म निर्वाणम्
Vartate Viditatmanam.
वर्तते विदितात्मनः
Okay, one more time. Kamakrodha Vimuktanam.
कामक्रोधो विमुक्तानां
Yatinam Yatachetasam.
यतीनां यतचेतसाम्
Abhito Brahma Nirvanam.
अभितो ब्रह्म निर्वाणम्
Vartate Viditatmanam.
वर्तते
विदितात्मनां
Very good. Okay, one more time. Kamakrodha Vimuktanam.
कामक्रोधो विमुक्तानां
Yatinam Yatachetasam.
यतचेतसाम्
Abhito Brahma Nirvanam.
अभितो ब्रह्म निर्वाणम्
Vartate Viditatmanam.
वर्तते विदितात्मनां
वर्तते विदितात्मना
Okay, Kshetra.
कामक्रोधो विमुक्तानां यतीनां यतचेतसाम् अभितो ब्रह्मनिर्वाणं वर्तते विदितात्मनाम्
Ravi,
कामक्रोधो विमुक्तानां यतीनां यतचेतसाम् अभितो ब्रह्मनिर्वाणं वर्तते विदितात्मनाम्
okay. Yeah, Krishna Chandra.
कामक्रोध विमुक्तानां यतीनां यत चेतसाम् अभितो ब्रह्म निर्वाणं वर्तते विदितात्मनाम्
Hari,
कामक्रोध विमुक्तानां यतीनां यत चेतसाः
Abhito.
अभितो ब्रह्म निर्वाणं वर्तते विदितात्मनाम्
Okay, Shaurya.
Yes. कामक्रोधविमुक्तानां यतीनां यतचेतसाम् अभितो ब्रह्मनिर्वाणं वर्तते विदितात्मनाम्
Okay. Yeah, Samrid.
कामक्रोधो विमुक्तानां यतीनां यतचेतसाम् अभितो ब्रह्मनिर्वाणं वर्तते विदित आत्मनाम्
Okay, perfect. Anyone else?
माताजी
Yes, Hari. Tejas.
कामक्रोध विमुक्तानां यतीनां यत चेतसाम् अभितो ब्रह्म निर्वाणं वर्तते विदितात्मनः
Anyone else? Arpita.
कामक्रोध विमुक्तात्मा
Vimuktanam.
विमुक्तानां यतीनां यतचेतसाम् अभितो ब्रह्म निर्वाणं वर्तन्ते विदित आत्मनाम्
Vartate viditatmanam. Okay, so Krishna, here we are talking about the different the sannyas, the people who have taken sannyas, how is their qualities. So here Krishna is telling about how one can be peaceful. What are the two enemies? Anyone remember the two enemies?
कामक्रोध
Kama. So these are the two enemies. If one leave, then we can be peaceful. What is Kama? Anyone in your terms?
desire
Desire, okay. Krodha,
Anger.
anger. So
Anger.
Kama is anger. Very good. Kama is not only desire, it is intense desire. If you want something very badly, you want something very badly, चाहिए चाहिए मुझे ऐसा कुछ है? I want this very badly. After we get, what will happen? Okay, if I think about a toy and I'm thinking that I want that toy very badly, the game or whatever it is, when you get it, what happens? You have to be very careful. You will be keeping it very safely so that it will not break, so that somebody will not take it out, right? And all those things, you will be always protective. And if somebody takes it, and if something happens to that, what will happen next? Next is Krodha, right? If somebody breaks it, what will happen? बहुत गुस्सा आ जाएगा ना? You have been getting it very, very peacefully and very happy with that. And suddenly somebody is breaking it or somebody took it away or you lost it, then you become very angry. So from here, Kama Krodha. Anybody remember the shloka? In second chapter, Krodad Bhavati.
Mataji,
Yes, Shaurya.
क्रोधात् क्रोधात् समृद्धि समूह
Krodad Bhavati Sammoha.
समूह स्मृति विभ्रम
Very good. Smriti Bramshad.
बहुशाखा
Buddhinashat. Smriti Bramshad. Buddhinashat.
नन्दात्
Buddhinasho.
बुद्धिनाशो
Pranashyati. Okay. From anger, what happens? Complete delusion. Everybody will be deluded. You don't know what you're doing, right? When we get angry, we tell something, we act in a way that we don't understand. We are illusioned. Then what happened? Our memory is lost. We forget whatever we are supposed to remember. When we don't remember things, what happened? Our buddhis or intelligence, our intelligence is lost. When intelligence is lost, then everything is lost, right? So karma is the root cause of all the problem. Too much desire, right? The war is happening because of too much desire. Somebody's too much desire for their own things, right? All of you know about the war happening. Yes or no? Na? So somebody is too much desiring for something, that is what the war happens. So karma is the root cause of all the problems. So Krishna is telling, if we leave these two, vimuktana means we leave it. We give up these two things, then we can be peaceful. Then we will not be disturbed as much as we can. We are always disturbed. Okay? Vartate viditatmana. Okay, one. Laksh, want to read the shloka? Not able to hear you. Anyone can hear?
रामक्रोध विमुक्तात्मा यतिचेतसाम् अभितो ब्रह्मनिर्वाणं वर्धते विद्यात्मनाम्.
Okay, very good. Yeah. Okay, Ravi can read the translation.
Yes, Mataji. Those who are free from anger and all material desires, who are self-realized, self-disciplined, and constantly endeavoring for perfection, are assured of liberation and the supreme in the very near future.
Okay. So we are free. First.
Mataji.
Yes, Tejas.
Mataji. Those who are free from anger and all material desires, who are self-realized, self-disciplined, and constantly endeavoring for perfection, are assured of liberation in the Supreme in the very near future.
Okay. So free from anger, desire, then you become that, you try to control the mind. The next we will be liberated very soon. Okay. Self-disciplined is very important. We try to be disciplined. Discipline means we put some effort but to improve ourselves. Anyone else want to read the translation? That's it. Okay, Krishna Chandra. Yeah. We are not able to hear you.
Those who are free from anger and all material desires, who are constantly endeavoring for perfection, are assured of liberation
In the supreme, in the very near future. Okay. This is also very important point. Endeavoring means you have to try. You should not sit quietly and think that, okay, everything will happen by its own. We have to endeavor. We have to try for perfection.
the very near future.
Very near future. Then he will be liberated in the very near future. First is we have to endeavor for perfection. So what if somebody, what you do when your exams are coming? Do you read in the next day exam? So do you read in the early morning? Or you prepare from the beginning, right?
Prepare from the beginning.
That's very good. So when you prepare from the beginning, that is you are constantly trying for perfection. You have to try. Then what happens when you are in exam day, then you just can be easily give up. Simply you just can read out. And go. But if you're not, if you are reading on the day of exam, what will happen? You'll be in too much anxiety, right? And they will not remember anything which you are studying. So it is very difficult to do that. So constantly endeavoring is very important. We have to try to do as much as best possible in every activity. For example, if you're chanting, if you're not chanting, you should start chanting at least 10 times. If you're chanting at least 10 times, then you have to chant more, 20 times. So always try to increase it more and more. Don't come down. If you're chanting one round, Then you have to chant from after next 6 months, chant 2 rounds. If something goes wrong, then what you feel? Okay, next day you have to try it again. Right? So constantly we have to try. Then Krishna will be very pleased. Just by trying, Krishna will be very pleased, and he is going to, he told in near future, he is going to assure us the success, that is liberation. We'll get out of this world. Okay, he's assuring here, he is giving a guarantee. But for what you have to do, for that we have to at least endeavor. Endeavor means try to do things. Okay, all of you understood this shloka?
Yes.
Endeavoring for perfection. This is the main thing. First is we free from anger and desire. Then we can be self-realized or self-disciplined only by constantly. Constantly means continuously we endeavor for perfection. Okay. So here Krishna is going to give a person who is endeavoring for perfection. How he does. So we are going to learn the 27th shloka today. Then 28 and 29 we'll learn it tomorrow. Okay. So the 29th shloka is an important shloka. 27th shloka we'll understand. How can we understand? How can we attain? How can we try for perfection? That is what Krishna is going to tell in 27. Okay, 27 and 28. Sparshan
Sparshan
Kritva Sparshan Kritva
Sparshan Kritva
Sparshan Kritva
Sparshan
Kritva
Bahir
Bahira
Sparshan Kritva Bahir
Sparshan Kritva
Bahyams
Yam
Bahir Bahyams Bahir Bahyams
Bahyams
Sparshan Kritva Bahir Bahyams
Sparshan Bahyams
Bahir Bahyams
Bahyams
Sparshan Kritva Bahir Bahyams
Sparshan Bahyams
Chakshush Chaiva Antare Chaivantare Chakshush Chaimantare Bruvo Chakshush Chaimantare Bruvo Okay. Chakshush Chaimantare Bruvo Chakshush Chaimantare Bruvo Sparshan Kritva Bahir Bahyams Sparshan Kritva Bahir Bahyams Sparshan Kritva Bahir Bahyams Chakshush Chaivantare Bruvo Chakshush Chaivantare Bruvo Okay, one more time. Sparshan Kritva Bahir Bahyams Chakshush Chaivantare Bruvo Okay, Tejas.
Yes, Mataji. Sparshan Kritva Bahir Bahyams चक्षुश्चैवान्तरे भ्रुवुः
Kshetra.
Mataji, can I say the full shloka? Sparshan kritva bahirbahyam chakshuschaivantare bhruvau pranapano samau kritva nashabhayantracharinau
Nasabhyantara.
nasabhyantracharinau.
Okay, very good. Samrid.
Sparshan kritva bahirvyayam
Chakshush.
chakshus
Chaivantare.
chaivantarye bhruvo.
Bruvo. Bruvo means the brows, eyebrows between. So the eyes should focus in between the eyebrows. He's telling how to attain perfection, how we can focus. Okay, Kshetra. Okay, Kshetra already told. Krishna Chandra. Sparshan kritva.
Sparshan kritva vidhamya
Bahir.
chakshuschaivantare bhruvoः
Bahir bahyams. Tell that again. Bahyams. 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 Okay. Om.
Mataji, can I tell the full shloka?
Yeah.
Sparshan kritva bahirbayam chakshushchaiva antarabhuvo but prana apunau samau kritva nasab apritara nasabhyantara charinau.
Okay, Hari, you want to tell?
Sparshan kritva bahirbahyam chakshusaiva antare bhurovo.
Okay, Arpita. Shaurya.
Sparshan kritva bahirbahyam
Chakshush.
Chakshuschaiva antare bhurovo.
Chaivantare bhruvo. Okay, Shaurya.
Yes, Mataji. Sparshan kritva bahirvyayam chakshuschaivantare bhruvo.
Very good. Vrindavan, Laksh. Yeah, Laksh, please.
Sparshan kritva bahirvyayam
Very good. Vrindavan.
Sparshan kritva
Bahyams.
bahirvyayam karva
Chaivantare bhruvo. Okay. Okay, so we'll go to the third line. Prana. Apanau. Pranapanau. Samau. Kritva. Pranapanau samau kritva.
Pranapanau
Pranapanau samau kritva. Prana means that we take the life, right? Breathe in, then we breathe out. The breathing in air and apana means it comes out. It should be stable and or balanced. Pranapanau samau kritva. So the yogis and everybody's life is depending on how many breath we take. It's not depending on the years of life. So many breaths, our life is done. So in a minute, how many breath we take? We don't know. We don't calculate, right? But yogis, what they do, they take slowly one breath in and one breath out. It will be so long. It will be like for 1 hour, they'll do one breath. So how much their life will be extended, right? We don't know how many breaths we are taking, but they will be focusing on their breath. So Krishna is going to introduce what is the next chapter is Dhyana Yoga. How to do meditation,
Dhyan.
how to connect with Krishna. So here in this last few shlokas, Krishna is introducing about the Dhyana Yoga. That is how we can focus. Sparsha. Chakshush means bringing the eyes between the eyebrows. You focus here, you just see here, and then your incoming and outgoing breath should be stabilized or suspended, or for some time you just focus on that. Slowly you take breath in and out, and then Nasabhyantara Charino. Nasabhyantara Charino means that is how we control. Nasabhyantara means you take the breath through the nose, right? Slowly blowing out, the slowly you should take in, and slowly you should blow out. It is like the pranayam. Anybody here doing pranayam? You do pranayam in yoga? Anyone here?
Me.
Okay, Om is very good. Very good. So all of you should try to do some pranayam or some yoga every day. Okay, yeah, Krishna Chandra also does. Okay. Nasa.
Mataji.
Tejas also you do.
Nasa.
Abhyantara.
Yes, Mataji.
Hmm.
Abhyantara. Abhyantara.
Nasa Abhyantara.
Nasa Abhyantara. Nasa Abhyantara.
Charino. Everyone.
Charino. Charino.
Nasa Abhyantara Charino.
Nasa Abhyantara Charino. Yes. Nasa Abhyantara Charino.
Very good. We'll do the full shloka. Sparshan kritva bahirbahyam.
Sparshan kritva bahirbahyam. Sparshan kritva bahirbahyam.
Chakshushchaivantare bhruvo.
Chakshushchaivantare bhruvo. Chakshushchaivantare bhruvo.
Pranapanau samau kritva.
Pranapanau samau kritva. Pranapanau samau kritva.
Nasabhyantara charino.
Nasa Abhyantara Charino.
Okay, one more time. Sparshan kritva bahirbahyam.
Sparshan kritva bahirbahyam.
Chakshushchaivantare bhruvo.
Chakshushchaivantare bhruvo.
Pranapanau samau kritva.
Pranapanau samau kritva.
Nasabhyantara charino.
Nasa Abhyantara Charino.
Okay, one more time. I don't hear many of you chanting, only I hear Kshetra and Tejas. Everybody will chant, okay? Sparshan kritva bahirbahyam.
Sparshan kritva bahirbahyam.
Chakshushchaivantare bhruvo.
Chakshushchaivantare bhruvo.
Pranapanau samau kritva.
Pranapanau samau kritva.
Nasabhyantara charino.
Nasa Abhyantara Charino.
Okay, Tejas, tell the full shloka.
Yes, Mataji. Sparshan kritva bahirbahyam. Chakshushchaivantare bhruvo. Pranapanau samau kritva. Nasa Abhyantara Charino.
Very good, Hari.
Sparshan kritva bahirbahyam. Chakshushchaivantare bhruvoः. Prana apana samau kritva. Nas abhyantara karino. Charino.
Okay, Kshetra.
Sparshan kritva bahirbahyam. Chakshushchaivantare bhruvo. Pranapanau samau kritva. Nasa Abhyantara Charino.
Very good, Samrid.
वर्षान् कृत्वा बहिर्भूम्या चक्षुश्चैवान्तरे भ्रुवो प्राणपानौ समं कृत्वा नासाभ्यन्तरचैरिणौ.
Charinau. Very good. Arpita.
स्पर्शं कृत्वा बहिर्भ्यामास् चक्षुश्चैवान्तरे भ्रवः प्राण आपानौ समौ कृत्वा नसाभ्यन्तरचरणौ.
माताजी
Sorry. Okay, okay. I'm sorry. Yeah. Ravi, want to tell?
Yes, Mataji. स्पर्शं कृत्वा बहिर्भ्रम्यास् चक्षुश्चैवान्तरे भ्रुवौ प्राणाप्नौ समौ कृत्वा नासाभ्यन्तरचारिणौ.
Very good. Shaurya.
वर्षान् कृत्वा बहिर्भूम्या चक्षुश्चैवान्तरे भ्रुवो प्राणापानौ कृत्वा नासाभ्यन्तरचारिणौ.
Charinau. Very good. Om.
स्पर्शं कृत्वा बहिर्भ्रमास्
Barhyams. Barhyams.
चक्षुश्चैव अन्तरार्बुदो प्राणा अपनौ समौ कृत्वा नासा अभियन्त्रकरिणौ
Charinau.
कारिणौ.
Charinau. Okay. Who else is there? Yeah, Laksh, please.
वर्षान् कृत्वा बहिर्भूम्या चक्षुश्चैवान्तरे भ्रुवो प्राणापानौ समं कृत्वा नासाभ्यन्तरचैरिणौ.
Very good. Okay, Vrindavan, are you there? Vrindavan is not there. We'll go on with one more time. Okay. Samrid, yes. Samrid.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes,
Bu-
Vrindavan.
बुभो
Pranapanau
प्राणपानौ समं कृत्वा
कृत्वा
नासाभ्यन्तरचारिणौ.
Charinau. Okay, very good. Everyone, one more time. Okay. Sparshan kritva bahirbahyams
स्पर्शं कृत्वा बहिर्भूम्यास् स्पर्शं कृत्वा बहिर्भूम्यास्
चक्षुश्चैवान्तरे भ्रुवो
चक्षुश्चैवान्तरे भ्रुवो चक्षुश्चैवान्तरे भ्रुवो
प्राणापानौ समौ कृत्वा
प्राणापानौ समौ कृत्वा प्राणापानौ समौ कृत्वा
नासाभ्यन्तरचारिणौ.
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 Okay, so we'll read the translation tomorrow because it is connected with the next verse. Okay. So, okay, Hari, want to tell the full shloka, right?
Which one, Mataji?
You wanted to tell all the shlokas?
Oh yeah, from 1 to
1 to 25.
give me 1 minute.
Okay. Anyone else want to? Yes. We'll do a quick revision and we'll end here, okay? Or you can prepare tomorrow also. Samrit want to tell? Okay. Okay.
Mataji, I'm ready.
Yeah, please.
अर्जुन उवाच सन्न्यासं कर्मणं कृष्ण पुनर्योगं च संससि यच्छेद एतयो एकं तन्मे ब्रूहि सुनिश्चितं श्रीभगवान् उवाच सन्न्यासः कर्मयोगश्च निःश्रेयसकरौ भौ तायस्तु कर्मसन्न्यासात् कर्मयोगो विशिष्यते येन यस्य नित्यसन्न्यासी यो निर्द्वेष्टि न काङ्क्षति निर्द्वन्द्वो हि महाबाहो सुखं बन्धत् प्रमुच्यते संख्यायोगौ पृथक् बाला प्रवदन्ति न पन्दति एकम् अपि असि सम्यक् उभयोर्विन्दते फलम् यत् संख्ये प्राप्यते स्थानं यो तद्योगैरपि गम्यते एकं संख्यं च योगं च यत् पश्यति स पश्यति संन्यासस्तु महाबाहो दुःखम् अप्तुम् अयोगतः योगयुक्तो मुनिः ब्रह्मा न चिरेणाधिगच्छति योगयुक्तो विशुद्धात्मा विजितात्मा जितेन्द्रियः सर्वभूतं भूतात्मा सर्वभूतात्मा भूतात्मा कुर्वाण अपि न लिप्यते नैव किञ्चित् करोमीति युक्तो मन्यते तत्त्ववेत् पश्यन् श्रवन् स्पृशन् जिघ्रन् अश्नन् गच्छन् स्वपन् श्वसन् पलापन् गृहन् उन्निमिषन् निमिषन्नपि इन्द्रियाणीन्द्रियार्थेषु वर्तन्त इति धारयन् ब्रह्मणि अद्य कर्माणि सङ्गं त्यक्त्वा करोति यः लिप्यते न स पापेन पद्मपत्रम् इव अम्बसा कायेन मनसा बुद्ध्या केवलैरिन्द्रियैरपि योगिनः कर्म कुर्वन्ति सङ्गं त्यक्त्वा सुदते युक्तकर्म फला त्यक्त्वा शान्तिम् आप्नोति नैष्ठिकीम् अयुक्तकामकारेण फलासक्तो निबध्यते सर्वकर्माणि मनसा सन्न्यस्ते सुखं वसि नावाद्वारे पुरे देहि नैव कुर्वन् न कारयन् न कर्तृत्वं न कर्माणि लोक्यस्य सृजति प्रभुः न कर्मफलसंयोगं स्वभावस्तु प्रवर्तते न दत्ते कस्यचित् पापं न चैव सुकृतं विभुः अग्नेनैव वृतं ज्ञानं तेन मुह्यन्ति जन्तवः ज्ञानात् तत् अज्ञानं येषां नाश्रितम् आत्मनः तेषामतीतवत् ज्ञानं प्रकाशयति तत्परम् तद्बुद्धव्यस्य तत्परायणः गच्छति पुनरवृत्तिं ज्ञाननिर्धूतकल्मषाम् विद्याविनयसम्पन्ने ब्रह्मणे गविहस्तिनि सुनिचैव स्वपाके च पण्डितसमदर्शिनः इहैव ते जितः सर्गो येषां संये स्थितं मनः निर्दोषं हि समां ब्रह्म तस्मात् ब्रह्मणि ते स्थिताः न प्रहस्येत् प्रियं प्राप्य नोद्विजेत् प्राप्य च प्रियं स्थिरा बुद्धिरस्तमुतो स्थिरबुद्धिरसम्मुतो ब्रह्मविद् ब्रह्मणि स्थिताः बाह्यस्पर्शे असक्तात्मा विन्दति आत्मनि यत् सुखं स ब्रह्मयोगयुक्तात्मा सुखम् अक्षयम् अश्नुते ये हि संस्पर्शजा भोगा दुःखा योनया एव ते अन्तवन्तकान्तेय न तेषु रमते बुधाः शक्नोति हैवया शुद्धं प्रक्षरीरविमोक्षणात् कामक्रोध भवं वेगं योगयुक्तो सयुक्त
ससुखी
सुखी नरः यो
आरामस्
तथान्तर्ज्योतिरेव यः स योगी ब्रह्म निर्वाणं ब्रह्मभूतो अधिगच्छति लभते ब्रह्म निर्वाणं रस्य न कल्मषाः चीनद्वैदा यतात्मानः सर्वभूतैः तीरतः हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे.
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Hari. Very good. Okay, try to practice like this every day. Right? We are finishing tomorrow, and next week, Saturday, we'll have the recitation. All of you can recite whatever you have practiced. Okay, and Sunday, we'll have Kahoot. Yes, quiz. Kahoot quiz. Okay?
Mataji, this Sunday.
Next Sunday.
Mataji, I'm not sure if I can join tomorrow because I have to go to spelling bee.
Okay, tomorrow, not tomorrow, next week. Tomorrow we have 2 class, two shlokas. The next week, Saturday, we'll have do the recitation, and Sunday we'll have the Kahoot quiz. Okay, Sunday is possible? Next week, Sunday?
Yes.
Okay, all of you keep practicing, right? Okay, then we'll chant one Hare Krishna mantra. Everyone? Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Hare Rama, Hare Rama.
Hare Rama, Hare Rama.
Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Rama Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, all of you.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Harpita.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Samrid, Hare Krishna.